Hey guys, today I go to the OPPO offline store and here I bring you the OPPO new released foldable device, OPPO Find N3. And here is the most special color, red color. And this time they have 4 colors: red, golden, green, black. And I think I really like this red color. It's the most special one. And for this time, this is also not a big size for device, and also the other physical buttons. So we change it from silence, security, and normal mode. So this is very useful and very special features on this device. This time for the OPPO Find N3, they use the crosswise design, and also they use the aerial alley technology for the hinge, and also it passed the 1 million times the fold and fold test. And it's very light as well, on 279 grams. And if we open it, it's just 5.8 mm thickness. Here we can find it use the latest colorways and the battery 4805, RAM and ROM information, and camera certification, front 20 megapixel inside screen and 32 outside screen control camera. And also more. Yes, for this time the inside screen is 7.82 and outside 6.31. For the outside 2484 plus 51116 and inside 2440 by 2068. Both support 220 Hz, 20 Hz refresh rate, and 2800 nit peak brightness. Both are very nice screen. It's powered. And also for the camera, we have more specifications. For the camera, as I mentioned, the front, inside and outside, but for the rear camera system, 84 megapixel, 21 and 64 megapixel long length, and 48 megapixel wide angle. You can get more here. For chips, Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, which almost 1.6 million scores, scores. Here, let's have a very simple camera test. 0.6 wide angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, high quality performance, and the mixed digital and optical zoom, support to 120. So this is very nice and very powerful camera solutions OPPO Find N3 used. Let me show you zoom the max band. So yes, so it gets a very details on the object. I put the sample pictures at the end of the video, and also this time the work with Hasblade to provide the camera solution. Check it. 120 times zoom. Yes, but angle, normal. For the camera, yes, you see very nice. And you know, before for the foldable device, the camera is not the strong part, but this time I think the OPPO did a very good job. He had more colors, so golden and black. And for the battery, I forgot to mention, it supports 4850 Yamaha battery with 67 watt fast charging, and within 43 minutes you get fully charged. But this time the OPPO Find N3 doesn't support the wireless charging. I think this is the weak point about this device. Here are more pictures. We can enjoy it, and yes, hope you like it. Let's stay tuned. Waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks. Bye bye.